actually completely customizable. This one was created for a customer who requested as much counter space as possible. This van features a 10-inch countertop, easy for your cooking. If you have any work you need to get done, it actually doubles, so when you bring your bed down, it's a perfect space, so the bed lies perfectly flat on top of it. Since this van's a lot larger, we actually have a lot more storage space that you can be putting in stuff. So if you're on a longer trip, or if you actually are living in your van, you have a lot more convenience in it. So since this van needed more counter space, for more space efficiency, we actually have this full-size freezer and so this is an air fryer, a microwave, and an oven. We even got a vent. So about the water heater in this van, you actually do have one, but you don't necessarily need to turn it on. As you drive around, the engine is actually going to be heating it up for you as well. Aside from our indoor shower, you actually also have this outdoor shower right here. And the coolest part of this van is you actually have your own personal bathroom. This is actually a family van. We got 5 seats over here, so you have optimal comfort as you're driving along. You can bring your friends, your family, whoever it might not be, and really enjoy your adventures all together. Everything else you will need to control aside from the TV is controllable from this little panel right over here. It's customized exactly for Bespoke CamperVan.